dry heat or humidity areas, you won't worry about that just breaking down over time like it used to do years ago. You can find this at Big Jeff Audio website. All orders do come with freebies. We have knives, lights, cups, backpacks, shirts, hats. I mean, it goes on, but we always give out free stuff. We like to give back. Obviously, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. And we're starting to do some more and more videos so you can see what the product looks like. And I'll let you take a look. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, signing off, Big Jeff here. Love you. See you at the next video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and share and comment if there's something you'd like us to go over, unbox, talk about. Leave your comments. My team is going to get it. We have a customer service team that will respond, and I will try to get it on the next video. Thank you, and stay safe.